Welcome. In front of me is an Honor 200 Pro, and today I will show you how you can insert your SIM card into this phone. Before we get started, you will want to grab a SIM eject tool like this one, which will come provided with the device in the box, though yours might look a little bit more metalish. But if you can't find it, you could also use a paper clip, straight on one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now, once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which is located at the bottom of the phone right over here. Now, you'll see two different insert areas. You want to utilize the one that is part of this cutout right here. So where the pin is holding right now. You want to push it in. And you can see that the tray pops out enough for you to be able to grab it and pull it out. On the tray, you will have space for two SIM cards, one on either side, and you can occupy obviously both of them or just one. If you're planning to use one, it doesn't matter which one. From there, make sure that the card is clipped in place correctly. It should be laying flush on the tray and should not be falling out if you flip it over. Anyway, from there you can insert it back into your phone, and your SIM card should start working right away. And there we go, enter SIM card pin. Okay, and that unlocks my SIM card, and that's it. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.